Hey folks, it's Joe. Second video today. I'm up in Denver with, I don't know if you remember, I had a silver super low mileage, about a 40,000 mile 2001 996 turbo last fall. This one is even nicer. Oh my gosh. This is a 2003 996 C2 manual manual cab, not a turbo, of course. It's a C2 manual, proper 5-spoke lightweight wheels, Lapis Blue, gray interior. Let me just show you around. This is kind of a unique situation. The gentleman that found this car has had a bunch of Porsches over the years, like bunches, has several others, and bought this late last year, figuring this is a really neat driver. You never find them in this sort of condition. Of course, I paint metered the car. The paint meter reads all original. I don't see a door ding on it. The only flaws that I could find are on the front bumper cover. There's one, like a crease here, like something vertical came here into it. And there's these weird marks, and I don't know if this is from a repair or sun damage or what, but there's like a wrinkle there. I think you can see that. And the same thing in the paint here. Now, for about $1,000, you can have that whole front bumper cover refinished if you wanted to, but that's it. The rest of the car is really, really, really nice. I don't see curb rash. The tires, I think, are 2024 date codes. There's absolutely no lip on the rotor on the rear, very slight lip on the rotor on the front. You can tell these are the OEM rotors. They're the drilled rotors. On my 996s, I never put the drilled rotors back on. They're expensive. But anyways, whoever's taking care of this car did it right. Look at the inside. We've got our Lapis Blue painted center console to tie together the outside to the inside. Stainless door sill, memory seats, power seats. Seats look like worn pretty well. Just a little bit of wear here that you normally see. This one either has very little wear or it may have been refinished at some point because it looks really, really good. Steering wheel looks good. Shift lever, really clean. Look at this Porsche Classic radio. Do you know what these cost? By the time you install this and program it in a 996, it's $3,400 to $3,600 for that Porsche Classic radio. So in my mind, these cars are really great. They're still great to drive today, even though they're 25 years old roughly, but the infotainment sucked back then. This is really good. It has Bluetooth, satellite radio, proper navigation. It's really, really nice. White gauges. Moment of truth here. Look at this. 32,130 miles. This is a 2003 car. 32,130 miles. Let's go ahead and start it up. Now, the exhaust looks totally stock, but we believe it's been fistered because it sounds more aggressive than it normally would. Let me unlock the steering wheel here. Here we go. And you know, we're in the storage unit here, so you can hear it. That's throatier than stock. It looks stock, but so we think it's been probably had the Fister modification. Passes emissions, no problem. Catalytic converters are in place, but it does have that slightly louder exhaust. So if you'd like, you know, we've talked about this. This is the only wear that I see here around the key. We've talked about how it used to be an SC or a Carrera was kind of your entry point to 911 ownership. Well, the entry point to 911 ownership now is a 996. And they just don't get any nicer than this with this kind of mileage, Lapis Blue. If you'd like to see the build sheet, if you'd like to see the Carfax, if you live in Colorado, you'd like to see the car, just give me a call. This is Joe. My number is 720-382-6167. And as always, thank you for watching.